What's poppin', fam? In this video, we're gonna be taking these wheels that we got for $250, cleaning them up, possibly giving them some paint, and flipping for profit. Hopefully enough profit that we could get some new tires for our current wheel setup.
Trip and drift.
It all comes down to they're not the right size and the fitment looks horrible on the 350Z. I could just take them to the track and burn that tire off, but I think the extra tread will give me more money when I go to sell them. First thing we gotta do when selling some wheels is give them a good wash and scrub, but especially us because we're probably going to paint them. So there cannot be any dirt or grime at all. You heard? So we gave them a good wash and scrub yesterday, but there's still some pretty bad blemishes on all of them. So I think what we're gonna do, hit them with some wet sanding sponges, work our way up in grit, and I think we're gonna paint them. It will bring us some more value, I think, and we already have all the paint and stuff to do it. So we just finished wet sanding this one and it looks so much better than the rest of them. But there are still some blemishes left on it. I don't want to go too hard on them with the sanding, so that just kind of strengthens my thought and urge to paint them. So we're going to finish wet sanding the rest of them and get to that paint. All right, just finished wet sanding them. They look fantastic. Although I could only find 2 of my 3 wet sanding sponges, so it didn't take as long as I thought, and they don't look as good as I thought they would, but either way, we could start prepping them for paint. We were able to start 2 of our wheels, but the weather is moving in, so we're gonna stop for now, start packing everything up, and we'll continue all of this tomorrow. The weather cleared up a little bit, so we're gonna keep on spraying these. It is the next day, and although the weather is looking nice, the forecast does say that it's supposed to rain today. So instead of setting up the camera and taking time to do all that, I wanna get the paint done on these today. We're gonna finish with the black and then do some clear coat, and I wanna finish that before it starts to rain. So you guys will see the finished product. And here's our finished product. I ended up only using 1 can of the black paint, and I got 6 coats on each one, and 1 can of the gloss, which gave me about 4 coats on each one. Some spots did come out a little glossier than others, but I really think for an $8 paint job, these wheels came out amazing. And just like that, the wheels are posted. We posted the wheels on Facebook Marketplace and on OfferUp for $550. After 4 days, we had about 6 or 7 people interested on Facebook Marketplace and only 1 person interested on OfferUp. This morning, I dropped the price from $550 to $500. It brought in some more interest, and I ended up meeting up with one of those guys today. We made a deal of $400, and the wheels are sold just like that. So we spent $250 on the wheels, about another $10 in paint, and we sold them for $400, profiting about $140. But we are going to use all $400 for new tires for our 350Z. I hope y'all learned something through this process, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Till next time, Drip and Drift fam, we out.